sleep can lose weight the safest way to date. The only weight loss solution designed for men and women over 40, that lets you sleep off stubborn fat. A first-of-its-kind nutritional breakthrough that helps your body naturally produce the sleep hormone, melatonin, so you fall into the deepest sleep possible, allowing your body to naturally tame your stress and hunger hormones, reduce appetite, and help you easily drop pounds of stubborn, clinging fat. All before breakfast. Inside of Ztox, you'll find what scientists are now calling the Core 4 code of essential nutrients, plus 14 additional ingredients that the team at Applied Science Nutrition named the most powerful fat-burning ingredients of all time, added to lock in your fat loss results for life. Plus every bottle is made right here in the USA, in a GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice, certified, state-of-the-art production facility, held to the highest degree of sanitization standards. Plus every capsule is 100% vegan, and non-GMO. Just 2 small capsules each day, before bedtime.
Can wipe out?
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content, if you are interested.
Stress cravings you'll feel lighter and more energized than you have in years. And there is absolutely nothing else in them other than ancient, all-natural ingredients. Like the Core 4 code essential nutrients needed to reach NREM3 deep sleep, and guarantee that your body will keep making melatonin, the sleep-inducing hormone, year after year. Inside of Ztox, you'll get melatonin. Humans rely on melatonin to fall asleep. It is the hormone your body releases when it knows it's time for bed. But it only gets released when it's dark, so if you're exposed to artificial light, like light bulbs, TVs, tablets, or phones, melatonin release is not triggered. And as you creep over 40, your melatonin supply can decrease. But there's good news. Modern science has found a way to deliver it to your body, so that you easily fall into NREM3 deep sleep. And the best part is, unlike those other scary sleeping pills, it is not addictive in any way. In fact, it helps your body get back to its God-given, natural state. So when it's bedtime, you'll actually want to sleep. Have you ever heard the old wives' tale about drinking warm milk before bed? There's some truth to that. Milk is chock full of calcium, that tells your brain to make more melatonin, which, as we know, you need in order to fall asleep. And I'm no scientist, but I learned that calcium triggers L-tryptophan, a powerful amino acid that creates more melatonin in your body, like magic. So calcium carbonate refills your natural melatonin supply. Magnesium citrate, even if you get enough melatonin, that's not good enough. You need magnesium citrate to send signals through your nervous system, telling it how much melatonin to release. And when? Think of it as traffic control for your melatonin. Pyridoxine HCI, B6, while you're awake, B6 tells melatonin to ease off, otherwise you'd be exhausted all day. It sends oxygen through your blood, keeping you energized. But when it's time for sleep, it creates even more melatonin for you, while you dream. So here is the Core 4 code, the perfect ratio of essential nutrients that work in perfect harmony, to maintain and refill healthy melatonin levels in your body, so you can get regular, NREM3 deep sleep, so your body is fueled, your hunger tamed, and your fat just basically falls off. This is by far the easiest, safest, most effective way to lose weight, without losing your mind. Because as you now know, the war on fat is not about doing extreme exercises or starving yourself. It's about getting the deep restful sleep you need, so you can fight fat on autopilot. And remember, people like us have been blindly following the wrong methods, not specifically designed for men and women over 40. They try to fight fat from the outside in, with impossible diets that basically starve you. and make you give up everything you love. Like carbs, sugar, soda, pizza, pasta, alcohol, fats, all at once.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,